To go for a recap of what you have learnt so far, just click on any of the buttons on the screen. IP address. The IP address is useful to locate and reach any destination. In our case, we are trying to find the address of a particular university server. Since we already know about Transport Control Protocols (TCP), Internet Protocol (IP), and know that TCP or IP-enabled joining of various networks and creation of the network of networks. Domain Name System (DNS). Domain Name System is better known as DNS, was invented in 1983. The job assigned to DNS was to connect domain name to its corresponding IP address. The DNS is global and decentralized, and the names are not repeated. ISO, Open System Interconnection (OSI) model. ISO Open System Interconnection (OSI) model lists 7 layers in network protocol. They are physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, and application layer. The network layer plays the role to route or navigate the packets of data moving from your computer to the destination server and back.